In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your ManyChat contacts into Google Sheets without using Zapier. You ready? Let's do this. Alright, so our first step will be go to ManyChat.com. We're going to select our account that we're talking about, and then we're going to scroll down to Settings. And we want to go to integrations and make sure that we have Google Sheets set up. So I'm going to click on Connect Google Sheets. And then I'm going to choose my account. And then I'm going to connect it. And there we go. Step one, we have connected our Google Sheets. Next step, we want to click on Custom Fields. And we'll check out our custom fields that we want to export here. Yep. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to sheets.google.com and we're going to create a new Google Sheet. So we'll start with a blank one. We'll name it what the page name is. Here we go. So we'll go home. Partners, there we go. And next, we're going to want the date. We're going to want first name, last name, and then we can go over here to our custom fields and match those up. So we have address, budget, by email, and your custom fields may be different, so you want to match up your custom fields that you want to export. Home type, market report, phone. And if you want to rearrange them, that's cool. You can put them in a different order. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add phone here. And I'm going to insert one more column. Make this one email. And then we have pre-approved selling talk. So right here we can make this one pre-approved selling talk. And then zip code. So we can add zip code after address. So we'll just insert one more and we'll go zip code. Just like that. And now that we have this, call this ManyChat users. And we are ready to move on to the next step. So we'll go back over to ManyChat and we're going to click on automations. And we're going to want to create a new flow. We're going to create an empty flow. We're going to call this export. Create. And then next we're going to want to set a trigger. So whenever a tag is applied for export, then it's going to fire. So we'll turn this on. You want to make sure that this is activated. And then we'll click on this plus button and we want to add an action. So we'll put our action right here and connect to the action because we don't need it to send a message. And now that we have our action connected, we can say we want to we want Google Sheets, and then we want to insert a row, and then we can pick our spreadsheet. So we got Gale Home Partners, and then our worksheet is the ManyChat user. So you can see that's the name, that's the sheet name, so they match up. Then you just scroll down through here and match stuff up. So for date, it's going to be subscribed. For first, it's going to be first name. Last, it's going to be last name. Phone. Phone will be the custom user field because I created this one before the system field was created, so we'll go with phone. Email will be the same, it'll be a custom user field. Address. Zip code. Budget. By, pre-approved, home type, market report, selling talk. And your fields may be different. This one is for real estate, so this is what makes sense for me, what I'm exporting. So we'll go ahead and click save, and it's easy as that. So this is set up, and basically it will run whenever that tag is applied. But there's one more step. We're going to want to do, we're going to want to create a sequence, and we're going to say export, and then we're going to go select that one. So we're going to trash can this stuff, just like that, and then we're going to use an existing one, and it's going to be export. And we want this thing to fire immediately, and we want to make sure that it's active. So now you can see if we go over here to audience and we select the whole audience, all 930 of them, we can bulk action, do add a tag, export, and save. And we're going to confirm that we did that, and you'll see that it didn't do anything. So next we're going to bulk action, and we're going to subscribe to sequence, export. And now you're going to see all this stuff start populate. Pretty cool, right? So you do want to go back and confirm in your actual conversation, do you have their phone number? Do you have their email? Because if they didn't fill it in as a automated question, it's not going to store it in here. But if you humanize the conversation and you were chatting back and forth, and it's like, cool, let me send that over to you. What's your email? Then you have their email, and you can go in here and add it. You have it. That's how you export your custom fields from ManyChat into Google Sheets. Now, enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel. My name is Chris Harden. See you next time.